Alright, my batteries, I only run 4S. They're both 1500 milliamp hour. I use goldbat 100C and gartpot 75C. They're both really good batteries if you treat them well. My props are 5040C dalprop cyclones, and they are attached to emax red bottom 2205 2600 kV motors, and then running those I have nidici 32-bit 35 amp BL Heli ESCs, and running those is my hobbymate XT60 power distribution board that can handle up to 6S, and then I'm running my wolfwhoop betaflight omnibus F4 flight controller with a built-in OSD. It's a nice controller, and it's got a direct plug that goes to the PDB, so I don't have to resolder anything if something has to happen to it. And then my communication is frsky, whatever XSR I think it is, and I use a Tyrannus controller, QX7, and my video transmission is the wolfwhoop Q1 upgraded to 1000 milliwatts. My camera is the caddx EOS 2 1200 TVL. I think it's NTSC. It's wide. It's 16:9, and then I just use the GoPro Session